Oh God.
I told her, I said, we'll be throwing the dog out in the grass. I'm throwing that damn thing away. I wash it all the time.
He said no, you don't. You don't wash it.
Take my thing away.
Hi. Nancy?
You didn't get enough when you were outside today?
Huh?
Talking to the cat.
He is disgusting. Yes, you are. Very. Nasty.
Talking to her. Talking dirty.
You dirty cat.
I love you, baby.
What is he doing? Dancing with her.
Turning in circles. She's tired of the same old position. And she let her be on top.
Head's all turned.
She's looking for a hole so bad.
Do you know what Family Rabbit is? It's a show on,
Look at your cat. What's he doing?
He doing it by his butt.
He what?
He's doing it by his butt.
You do this, you nasty.
He's always definitely knows.